Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remember Celsius to Fahrenheit conversions. Let's begin with the first step. When you have a Celsius temperature, the initial action is to simply take that number. For instance, if it's 10 degrees Celsius, you'll start with the number 10. This foundational step sets the stage for the rest of our quick conversion process, making it easy to remember where to begin your calculation every time. Next, you'll multiply your Celsius temperature by 1.8. This number, 1.8, is crucial because it represents the ratio between the two temperature scales. For every 1 degree Celsius, there are 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit. So, if you started with 10 degrees Celsius, multiplying by 1.8 gives you 18. This step effectively scales your Celsius value to the Fahrenheit scale. The third and final step is to add 32 to the number you just calculated. This 32 is significant because it's the difference in the freezing points of water between the two scales. 0 degrees Celsius is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So, continuing our example, if you had 18 from the previous step, adding 32 gives you 50. This completes the conversion, giving you the Fahrenheit temperature. Let's quickly recap with an example. If you have 20 degrees Celsius, first multiply 20 by 1.8, which gives you 36. Then, add 32 to 36, resulting in 68 degrees Fahrenheit. So, 20 degrees Celsius is 68 degrees Fahrenheit. This simple two-step process, multiply by 1.8, then add 32, will help you remember how to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit quickly and accurately every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.